Hello students, today we are going to concentrate at household circuits. Electric power is generated at the power stations at 11 kilovolt because generation at high voltage causes insulation difficulties, while generation at voltage lower than 11 kilovolt involves very high current. The power generated at the generating station is not directly transmitted to the consumers at 11 kilovolt, but before its transmission, its voltage is raised to reduce the loss of energy in the form of heat in the transmission line wires. From the formula I is equal to P upon V, higher the voltage, lower will be the current. Thus, by supplying the power at a high voltage, the current becomes low and therefore the loss of energy due to heating in the line wires becomes lesser. The voltage generated is alternating of frequency 50 Hz, and at the city substation, the power is stepped down from 11 kilovolt to 220 volt using the step down transformer to supply to the domestic consumers. To supply the electric power to a house from the city substation, either the overhead wires or a cable on poles or an underground cable is used. The cable has 3 wires: live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. The neutral and the earth wires are connected together at the local substation so that the neutral and earth wires are at the same potential, which is 0 volt. The line wire, also called the phase wire, carries current from the source to the distribution board, while the neutral wire is for the return of current back to the source. Talking about the fuse. A fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the current in an electric circuit. The fuse safeguards the circuit and the appliances connected in that circuit from being damaged. A fuse works on the heating effect of current. Higher the current rating, thicker is the fuse wire. A fuse wire permits the flow of current through it only up to a certain fixed limit, which is called the current rating of the fuse wire. Generally, an alloy of lead and tin is used as a fuse wire, and the fuse wire is always connected in the live wire before the appliance. In our houses, the electric wiring for light and fan circuits uses a thin fuse wire of low current rating, approximately 5 ampere, because the line wire has a current carrying capacity of 5 ampere. A thick fuse wire of high current carrying capacity, approximately 15 ampere, is used in the line of power circuits for heavy current consumed by the appliances such as air conditioner, geyser, etc. The current rating of the fuse at the distribution board for a ring system is around 30 ampere, and for the company fuse it is 50 ampere. Current rating of a fuse in a circuit can be given by the formula current rating is equal to total power of the appliance in the circuit divided by voltage of the supply. Miniature circuit breakers. Nowadays, instead of a fuse, a MCB is used for each individual circuit. If due to short circuit, a heavy current flows through the line wire, the MCB falls down or trips to switch off the circuit in approximately 25 milliseconds. Thus, the use of MCB is more convenient than a fuse. After repairing the fault in the circuit, the MCB is then raised up to allow the current to flow again. Coming on to the switches. A switch is an on and off device for current in a circuit or in an appliance. It is connected always in the line wire. There are 2 different types of switches: single pole switch and double pole switch. A single pole switch disconnects only the live wire from the appliance, whereas a double pole switch disconnects the live wire as well as the neutral wire simultaneously. Safety precautions while using a switch. A switch should never be touched with wet hands If water reaches the live wire, it forms a conducting layer between the hand and the live wire of the switch, due to which a current passes to the hand through it and the person may get a fatal shock. Earthing. That means the earthing is of two types. The earthing, grounding, which is also known as local earthing, or earthing of an appliance. Safety by the local earthing. If due to some reason such as short circuit and excessive current flows through the line wires, it will pass to the earth through the earth wire if there is a local earthing. Earthing of an appliance. It is essential to provide a good earthing connection for an electric appliance, especially like toaster, geyser, electric iron, refrigerator, etc., where the person is in direct contact with the appliance. The switch and the fuse are connected in the live wire and the earth wire of the cable is connected to the metallic case of the appliance. If the metallic case of the appliance is properly earthed, then as soon as the live wire comes in contact with the metallic case of the appliance, a heavy current flows to the earth through the metallic case of the appliance and the fuse connected in the circuit blows off and the appliance gets disconnected from the main supply. Thus, the person touching the defective appliance does not get any fatal shock and the appliance is also saved from being damaged. A new device called 3-pin plug and socket. In a 3-pin plug, the top pin is for earthing, the pin on the left is for live wire and the pin on the right is for neutral wire. In the good quality plugs, these are marked as E, L and N. E for earthing, L for live and N for neutral. The pins are splitted at the ends to provide a spring action so that they can fit in the socket holes tightly. The earth pin is thicker and longer than the other two. The earth pin is made longer so that the earth connection is made before the live connection for the safety of the user. Before the current flows, the safety is done first. The earth pin is made thicker so that even by mistake, it cannot be inserted into the hole of the live or the neutral connection. Socket. Socket is a fixture in an electric circuit in which the plug is inserted. The socket has 3 holes. The upper bigger hole is for earth connection, while the hole on the right is for connection to the live wire and the hole on the left side is for connection to the neutral wire of the electric supply. It has been indicated clearly in the diagram which has been shown. We have to take some safety precautions at the time of using the plug and the socket. The hands must be completely dry while inserting a plug into a socket. The plug pins should fit in the socket tightly. Any loose connection will give rise to sparking and burning of either the socket or the plug. Color coding of wires in a cable. Each electric appliance is provided with a 3-core flexible cable. The insulation of these 3 wires is of different colors. The color coding of wires helps us to connect the switch, fuse through proper wire in the circuit of house wiring. According to the new convention, the live wire is of brown color, neutral wire is of light blue and earth wire is of green or yellow color. High tension wires. For high voltage and heavy current, a special type of wire called the high tension wire is used. A high tension wire has low resistance and large surface area. The resistance is kept low so that it can allow a heavy current to pass through. The surface area is made large so that it radiates the heat produced more quickly to the surroundings and stops the wire from burning. Therefore, instead of taking a thick wire of low resistance, it is made by twisting together a number of thin wires insulated from each other.